Students, how are you? Okay, I hope you all are very good and your study is also going very good. So, as you know that in recent days we are learning about the coordinate geometry in our maths class. Okay, in previous classes you already studied about uh, the coordinate geometry of 2 points, the distance between 2 points, how to find the distance between 2 points. Then we got to know that how to find the ratio of one point which divides the two other points. Okay, so let's start what we are going to study further. So I think you all are familiar to this figure. So which is this figure? Yes, very good. This is triangle. Okay, and do you know how to find the area of triangle? Yes, very good. Okay, so area of triangle is 1 over 2 base into height. Okay, where this is called base and the perpendicular distance is called height. Okay, so in a triangle you will find base and height also. So this is the formula to find area of a triangle. But how can we find area in coordinate geometry? Okay, let's see. So this is triangle and this is height and this is called base. So if we have to find the area of triangle, so it can be written as 1 over 2, very good, base into height. Okay, so this is the formula to find the area of a triangle. But what about if the points of the vertices are given and we have to find the area in coordinate geometry? So we have three sides A, B and C. Again, we can find the area by this formula. I think you already know about this formula. Okay, what is this formula called? Yes, very good, very correct answer. This is called Heron's formula. You all studied about this in your previous class. By this formula we can again find the area of this triangle. So this is called Heron's formula. Now in coordinate geometry, the coordinates of the coordinates of vertices of a triangle is given. So let one coordinate is A x1 y1, B x2 y2, then C x3 y3. So what is the distance AB? I think you can find the distance of AB by using, yes, we can use the distance formula. It is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so this is called distance formula. Likewise, we can find AC also. Then BC is equals to, yes, so what is the formula to find the BC? Very good, BC equals to under root x2 minus x3 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. Same as for AC, x1 minus x3 whole square plus y1 minus y3 whole square. So these are the length of three sides AB, BC and AC. And by using this we can find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula, isn't it? Using Heron's formula we can find the area of the triangle. But I think it will take too much time. Is there any another way to find area of triangle? Because it is time consuming and also it's very complicated. So I think there is some other way to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so let's look here. So area of triangle, yes, so this is the formula to find the area of triangle in coordinate geometry. Okay, so this formula says 1 upon 2, then mod. Okay, this sign is called mod. X1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, and these all are the coordinates of vertices of a triangle. And what does this mod means? These two lines are called mod. Okay, so it represents the positive value of any integer. Okay, so it represents the positive value. So if you have to find mod of minus 5, so it is again 5, because it shows only numerical value. And if you have to find the value of 2, so it is again 2. For minus 2, it is again 2. So this mod is always gives a positive value. So here area of triangle is 1 by 2, then x1, x2, x3. So how you have to remember, how you can remember this formula, because it is too lengthy. So first start from 1 point x1, then x2, then x3. So first we will take x1, then x2, then x3. Okay, here you can see these are the points. Now inside the bracket we have to subtract y2 minus y3. So if you take x1, so you have to start with y2 minus y3. Okay, then you can repeat the process, like you have to again, then you can check x2, then you have to start from y3, then again y1, then you will take x3, then you have to start from y1 minus y2. So we have taken x1, x2 and x3, and inside the bracket start with y2. So here you can see a cyclic process. This is y1, this is y2, and this is y3. Okay, so you have to start with y2. So in first bracket we can write y2 minus y3. So this is y2 minus y3. Then start from next. So this is our next part. So what is it? Very good. This is y3 minus y1 plus x2. It can be written as y3 minus y1. Again with x3 you can write this one as y1 minus y2. So this is how you have to remember this formula. So this is it is an easy way to remember the formula. Okay, students, so now there is a question. So it is based on the formula of the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are. So we are given these vertices. So let's start. What is given to us? Let A, B and C be the vertices. So we can write this one as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So we have to take x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now this is the formula to find the area. So what is the formula? It is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now you can put all the values. So here it is given x1, it is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So we have put 2, 0, minus minus 4, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, plus 2, 3 minus 0. And after solving this one, we get the value 21 by 2. So this is the area. So it is again x1, then next is y2 minus y3. So you can write 2, then minus 1, then plus 2. Again start with y2 minus y3. So these points are given 3, 0 and minus 4. So you can write 2, 0, minus 4, then minus 4, minus 3, 2, and 3 minus 0. Okay, these are the values of y1, y2 and y3. Now you can find area of triangle. It is minus 1, then it is minus 7 plus 2 into 3. And again after solving, 2 4s are 8, plus 7 and plus 6. So after adding all these, you will get 21 by 2. So this is the area. Okay students, now question time. So give the answer. The area of the triangle whose vertices are, and your time starts now. So you can use the formula.
माइक यहाँ पे लगा लीजिए आगे।
So what is the area of the triangle? I think you all have got the value. Okay, very good. So the correct answer is yes, it is 32 square units. Okay, now next question, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are this. Again, find the value of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. So let these are the vertices. Okay, now what is the formula? Okay, so area is, yes, say with me, 1 by 2 mod x1, then what is after the x1? You have to take y2, because after x1 you have to put y2, then after y2 it is y3. Now you have to take next of x1, it is x2, then you have to follow this. Okay, so after y3 you will get y3 minus y1, then x3, and start with y1, so it is y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is the formula. So area of ABC is 1 by 2 minus 5 plus 3 plus 5. So the values are already given, and now put y2 minus y3. What is y2? Yes, minus 5. This is y1, this is y2, and this is y3. It is minus 5 minus 2, it is 2 plus 1, then minus 1 plus 5. Again it is minus 5, then add minus 5 minus 2, it is minus 7. It is 3 by 3, 5 into 4. It is 35, 3 3s are 9 and 5 4s are, yes, it is 20. So after adding, it is 64 divided by 2, it is 32. Again, find the area of the triangle formed by points. So again, same process you have to follow. It is again x1, x2, x3. 1, x2 is 3 and x3 is minus 6. It is 4 minus 4. So what is y2? It is 4 minus 4. So again 4 minus 4, and then again we have 4 minus 4. So if you can solve this one, so it is again 0, then 0, then 0. And here you can see that the area of this triangle is 0. So what does this mean? A triangle whose area is 0, how it looks like? Okay, because this is 0, so it looks like a simple straight line. So here area of triangle is 0. Yes, so it looks like a straight line. So here we can say that triangle formation is not possible since the area of triangle is 0, because area is not 0, so triangle formation is not possible. That means the vertices are collinear. Now look at this word. Collinear means if points makes a straight line, so it is called a collinear points. Okay class, now question time. Area of triangle formed by points, and your time starts now. Okay, your time is getting over. So what is the correct answer? It is A. So the area of this triangle is 0. Now how do we prove the given vertices are collinear? Okay, I think we just studied about there, we just read that the points are collinear if the area of triangle is 0. So if the area of triangle is 0, then then we can say that the points are collinear. So okay, now first question, determine if the points are collinear. So what you have to do? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, very good. Just we have to find the area of triangle which is made by these 3 points. So we can take them as vertices of triangle x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So these are the given points. Now if the area is 0, so obviously these points are collinear. If it is not 0, then we can say that these points are not collinear. So put the values of the points. So minus 1.5, then 6, then minus 3. Now put y2 is minus 2 minus 4, then y3 minus y4, it is 4 minus 3, then y1 minus y2 is 3 minus minus plus. Okay, so we can write 3 plus 2. Now solve this one, it is minus 6, 1 and 5. Multiply all these, 9, 6, minus 15. So finally we get the value as 0. So the area of this triangle is 0. So there is another change. What is the change? Because we use 1 by 2 to find the area of triangle, but in this case if the points are collinear then it is obviously 0. So this is already gone to next side. Okay, so we can use only x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1, and x3 y1 minus y2 without 1 by 2. Okay, so given points are collinear. Okay students, now next question, find the value of k for which the points 7 minus 2, 5 1 and 3 comma k are collinear. So it is already given that the points are collinear, so obviously the area of this triangle is already 0. So given points are 7 minus 2, 5 1 and 3k. So this is x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So put the values here, 7 5 3, it is y2 minus y3 1 minus k, then k plus 2 because minus minus is 2, then minus 2 minus 1. So here you have to multiply 7 with 7 inside the bracket. So 7 ones are 7 minus 7k. Okay, this 7 is multiplied with 1 and then with k. Now same with the 5, multiply with k, it is 5k, very good. Then with 2 it is, yes, it is 10. Now add minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3. So it can be written as minus 7k plus 5k, it is minus 2k plus 17 and minus 9, and it can be written as minus 2k plus 8. Okay, it is again 0. So 2k is equals to 8 or k equals to 4. So here the value of k is 4. Okay, so what is the value of k? It is again 4. So this is how we can find the value of k. If the points are collinear, then the value of p is, and your time starts now. Find the value of p, and here the points are collinear. Find the value, your time is getting over. Okay class, and your time is over. So the answer is yes, it is C, 5 by 2. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. So what is given in this question, that there is a triangle whose vertices are already given, but we have to find the area of another triangle who is made by connecting the all the vertices which are midpoints. Okay, so let these are midpoints. So we have to find the area of DEF and again area of ABC both. So these are the points. Let A, B and C be the vertices of the given triangle ABC. So it is A 0, -1, B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. Let D, E, F be the midpoints of AB, BC and CA. So these points are given D, E and F. So D is the midpoint of A and B. Okay, D is the midpoint of A and B. Again, E is the midpoint of BC. So this is E, the midpoint of B and C. And this is F, which is the midpoint of CA. So if you connect DEF, then you will find the triangle DEF. Now we have to find the coordinates of D, E and F, and these are midpoints. Okay, so what is the coordinate of midpoint? Yes, this is x1 plus x2 upon 2 plus y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, here these points are the points of this, because if we have to find the midpoints of A and B, so these are the x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. So here we can use this formula for D point. Now the coordinates of D are, so what is x1? 0 plus 2 upon 2. So we can write 0 plus 2 upon 2. Then what is y1? -1 and plus 1. So this is 0 plus 2 upon 2 and -1 upon 2. So the point D is 1, 0. So same as we can find the value of E also. So for E it is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now for point E, again what is x1? It is 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2. It is 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2. Now the points are 1, 2. And same as for the F, the coordinates are 0 plus 0 upon 2 and -1 plus 3 upon 2. So now we have got the values of D, E and F and also A, B and C. So now we can easily find the area of triangle DEF as well as ABC also. So first find the area of triangle DEF. So this is 1 square unit. Now what is the triangle area of triangle ABC? So use this formula again, and this is 4 square units. So from here we can find the ratio. It is again 1 by 4. So area of DEF and ABC is 1 by 4. Okay. Now you have to remember one theorem from your previous class. the ratio of the area of triangle formed by joining midpoints of the sides of triangle to the original triangle is always 1 by 4. It is again always the 1 by 4. So if you have to find the area of triangle and the area of triangle of midpoints of the same triangle, so the ratio is always 1 by 4. Okay, now find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are this. So again, this is the our quadrilateral whose vertices are given. Now, how will you find the area of quadrilateral? Do you know the formula to find the area of quadrilateral? No, because we know the area of triangle. We know how to find the area of triangle, but how can we find the area of this quadrilateral? Do you have any answer? Okay, students, so we can divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. How? Just join its or diagonal AC. If you join AC, then you get two triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2, and then find the area of these triangles and add them. Okay, so join DB, you also join DB also, you can join any diagonal, and now we have area of quadrilateral is area of ABD, this triangle and this triangle, plus area of BCD, and join AC, again you will get two triangles. So you can use any one of them. Just you have to find the area of two triangles and add them. So from here we have to find the area of this triangle ABC. So what are the points? X1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Put all the values here and got the answer. So this is our answer. It is 21 by 2 square units. Again, area of ACD. So for this, again x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Again, this is the area. It is 35 by 2. Now area of quadrilateral, add both of them. It is 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2. So the answer is 56 by 2 and it is 28. So area of quadrilateral is 28 square units. Okay students, now again question time. So give the answer. The area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides is, and your time starts now. You have to find the area of triangle which is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides. Okay, and your time is over. So the correct answer is A, 1 square unit. Okay, so you have studied that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result. So there is a theorem that if in a triangle there is a median. So what is median? Yes, very good. Median is a line which join a vertex of triangle to the midpoint of the base. So this is the midpoint. So this is called a median. So you have to verify this theorem. So first form a triangle. So this is our triangle ABC. Here 4 minus 6, 3 minus 2 and 5 2. A median of a triangle is a line segment that joins the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this is again, so D is the midpoint of BC. So you have to join A and D, and AD is our, so AD is our median and D is the, yes, very good, median of B and C. So how to find the median, or how to find the midpoint? Yeah, very good. The same formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2 plus comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, it's so easy. So this is x1 3 plus 5 upon 2, then minus 2 plus 2 upon 2. So this is the point of D. It is 8 upon 2 and 4 comma 0. Now we got the coordinates of D. So now we have to find the area of this triangle and again area of this triangle, and then we have to prove that area of both triangles are equal. So this is the area of ABD, it is 3 square unit, and again this is the area of ADC. Okay, again we use the same formula and we found that it is again 3. So area of both triangles are equal. So by this we can prove that this theorem is true. So area of triangle ABD equals to area of triangle ACD. Okay class, now again question time. If are the vertices of rhombus, and again you have to find the area of rhombus, and your time starts now. Find the area of this rhombus. So first you have to draw the rhombus and then divide it into two triangles. Okay, so your time is over. The correct answer is, it is B, 24 square units. Okay students, now last question, it's feedback question. So give your feedback for today's class. So how do you feel? Okay, and your time is over. Okay, so what did we learn today? We learned how to find the area of triangle whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So area of triangle formula is 1 upon 2 x1, then start with y2 y3, it is y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 and plus x1 y1 minus y2. Okay, so you have to remember this formula, and then you have to find the area of triangle. Okay students, so now what you have to do, you just have to pick some more problems related on this topic. Okay, then use this formula and try to find the area of triangle, and also try to find the area of quadrilateral also. Okay, you can find area of pentagon, hexagon also by using this formula. Okay, so okay class, so now it's time to end the class, and now we will meet in next class. Okay, till then, goodbye and thank you.